Segera subscribe channel bermanfaat ini. Klik lonceng notifikasi supaya tidak ketinggalan video terbaru. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan share video ini ke teman-teman kalian. Semoga bermanfaat. Like to record first. Okay, can you turn on your camera, all of you? Okay, nice. Okay, di sini ada Yan Siti, ada Raisa, nice. Ada Safira, ada Rispa Hasna, ada Nurul, and Bia, ada Putri, good. Yeah, so I can know your face. Ada Reviani, ada Novia. For all the progress test that I have given to you, I hope you do understand about that. Ya, paham semuanya dengan progress test nanti ya. Oke, yuk kita mulai. Oh, wait. Oke, yuk kita mulai. This is the opposite word. What is the opposite word from strong? Answer together.
Weak.
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 Okay. What's the answer? The question number 1. Ya, betul ya. Ini is strong, berarti opposite-nya adalah weak. Okay, good. Question number 1. Up.
Down.
Down.
Up and
Down.
down. Okay, answer together. Ya, bukan below ya. Kalau below, above. Beda ya. Kalau below, above. Kalau up, down. Okay. Good. Question number 2. What is opposite of dirty?
Clean.
Clean.
All of you, answer together. Jangan diam ya.
Clean.
Don't be silent. So we
Clean.
need to...
Clean.
Good. Clean. Active together ya to answer this question. Okay, good. Clean. Do you like clean your room?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
of course, yes. Of course, yes, yeah. Or even sometimes. Okay, now question number 3. What is the opposite of strong? Again?
Weak. Weak.
Weak. Okay. So I hope you're all strong students. Yeah, strong students of the assignment that you handle, that you bear. Yang apa? Banyak tugas kan teman-teman semua di sini. So I hope you're all strong. Question number 4. Hot.
Cool.
Cold.
Cold. Cold.
Cool
Cold.
atau cold?
Cold.
Cool atau cold?
Cold.
Ayo. Hot, the opposite meaning is cold. Okay. Cool itu adjective, keren. Kalau dingin, cold. Ya, yeah, cold. Hot and cold. Okay. Question number 5. What is the opposite of heavy?
Light.
Yo, semuanya. Come on, all of you, can you speak? Light, okay. Is there any other? Heavy. Wow. Can you silent? Itu kayaknya lagi di pinggir jalan. Okay, heavy. What is the opposite? The opposite meaning is
Light.
light. Okay, nice. Light. Berat, ringan. Light itu ringan. It's pretty light. Sangatlah ringan. Okay. Question number 6. Together ya. Let's answer together. Noisy. What is it?
Silent.
Quiet.
Silent, quiet.
Okay, antara silent and quiet. Between silent and quiet. Is there any other?
Silent.
Noisy, the opposite is quiet.
Quiet.
Ya, quiet. Kalau silent lebih ke sikap lah ya. Silent treatment, you know. You know, in Jaksel vocabulary there is silent treatment. Kayak mendiamkan gitu ya. Padahal ketemu sering tapi silent. Noisy and quiet, okay? Question number 7. Light.
Dark.
Terang.
Dark.
Light and dark. Okay, good. Really good. Dark. Light and dark. Okay, nice. Number 8. Bad.
Kind.
Good.
Kind.
Nice. Good.
What is bad?
Nah,
Bad opposite meaning is?
Good.
Antara good and
Yes.
ayo. Bad and good.
oh, good.
Okay, bad and good. Yes. Kenapa ya harus ada setan sama malaikat? Okay, bad and good. Nice. Number 10 and number 9. Soft. What is the opposite meaning?
Hard.
Hard.
Ada soft, ada hard. Take a look at here. Yes, soft and hard. Soft tuh ya let's say lembut lah ya, atau ya lembut
Empuk.
atau empuk boleh. Kalau hard itu lebih ke kerasnya. Soft and hard. It's like sama halnya dengan easy and hard. It's the same. Cuman different meaning. Atau easy difficult bisa. Oke, number 10. Empty.
Full.
Empty.
Loaded.
Opposite meaning is?
Load.
Empty is
Full.
full. Okay, nice. Empty is full. Opposite meaningnya ya. Kalau empty is full. Okay, great job. That's my warming up today. Itu warming up-nya terkait opposite meaning. Ya, sekarang kita langsung meluncur ke materinya. Oke. Materi kali ini saya akan menjabarkan tentang because this is speaking material, speaking activity. So I would like to share you about the speaking activity 1. The speaking activity 1, I would like to teach you how to create the question. How to create the question, WH question. Oke, WH question. Ini kelihatan ya, teman-teman semuanya? Can you see this clearly?
Yes.
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 Oke, WH question. Oke, di sini ada beberapa pertanyaan. Nanti teman-teman pas praktis harus harus bisa membuat pertanyaan. Jadi setiap praktis, so you can ask to your friends about the question that you made creatively, of course. Ada juga pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang sudah saya kasih kemarin ya. Ya cukup banyak lah untuk to make your friends or to know your friends deeply about it. Nah, di sini ada double H question. What is it about? Nah, saya akan ajarkan bagaimana caranya membuat pertanyaan masing-masing ya. Di sini ada who. Who itu artinya apa? Maybe you know that.
Siapa?
You know that. Maybe really you know that. Who is used to ask about people? So who is used to ask about people? You can say the name or even the people itself. Di sini who is she? He is my teacher. Who is she? Misalnya, berarti she is my mom. You can say that. Who is there? Who is they? Boleh seperti itu. Oke, mempertanyakan orang. This is the example of the question. You can say that. You can use this. Who are you? Who is she? Who are they? Sorry, bukan who is they. Who are they? Sesuaikan dengan to be-nya. Kalau are itu untuk you, we, they ya. Who are we? Who are they? Who are you? Kalau is berarti buat he, she, it. Who is she? Who is it? Gak mungkin who is it, who is she biasanya. Oke, di sini ada who is your best friend? Who is calling? Siapa yang memanggil? Who wants to some ice cream? Who asked the question? Who is faster? Who is the most beautiful in your class? Who is the most beautiful in your class? Oke, this is the example of who gitu ya. Dari who ini contohnya. So, yang kedua ada what. What itu apa? It's really easy. Okay, I hope you can understand it easily. What? What is used to ask about the things? Okay, tentang hal. Biasanya what is that? It is pencil. What is it? Misalnya, that is my book, for example. Ya. Nah, take a look at here. This is the example of making question by what. Ingat what berarti mempertanyakan hal. Kalau tadi who mempertanyakan orang. What? What is it? What is this? Or what is that? Can you say that? What day is it? Kalau mempertanyakan hari, you can say this. What day is it? Hari apa ya hari ini ya? What day is it? What is the weather like? What is the weather like? Kira-kira ini cuacanya lagi gimana nih? What is the weather like? What do you want to eat? What are you doing? Okay, what do you want to eat? What are you doing? What time is it? What do you do? What does your father do? Nah ini, can you explain why? Kan this is something that you need to know. Kalau misalkan, sebentar, saya pakai pen tab. Kalau misalkan, apa namanya? Kalau misalkan subjeknya he, she, atau it. Kalau ketemu kata kerja, ingat kata kerjanya harus diakhiri oleh huruf S, IS, atau ES. Segimana kata kerjanya. Contoh, misalnya, kalau misalkan I watch, I work, for example. Contoh, misalnya ya. I work hard. Kalau misalkan she, berarti apa? She
works.
works ya. She works hard. Oke, ini ditambahkan S. Kenapa? Karena subjeknya adalah she. Pokoknya kalau subjeknya he, she, it, ketemu kata kerjanya harus diakhiri oleh huruf ini. Oke. Another example, misalnya jangan I, misalnya you deh. You watch series misalnya. You watch. Kalau misalkan he berarti he watches. Oke, ya betul sekali. He watches. Ditambahkan es. Oke, dikarenakan subjeknya adalah he. Remember that kalau subjeknya he, she, it, ketemu kata kerja diakhiri oleh huruf s, es, atau yes. Kalau misalkan ada subjek lagi misalnya we study misalnya ya. We study. Kalau misalkan he berarti he
Studies.
ya, berarti y-nya di drop diganti menjadi yes, oke? He studies. So it goes for he, she, it. Ini berlaku untuk he, she, it. Kalau ketemu kata kerja diakhiri oleh huruf ini gitu ya. Oke, nah pertanyaannya adalah kenapa ini what does your father do? Kenapa enggak what does your father does? Can you explain that? Ini kan father do. Father kan he kan ya? Kenapa he do? Kenapa enggak he does? Why? Because it is a question. Karena sudah diwakili sama does gitu ya. Jadi semuanya menggunakan do meskipun subjeknya he. Jadi what does he buy misalnya? Enggak buys. What does he buy? Atau what does he do? Sama aja. What does he do? Karena sudah diwakili oleh does gitu ya. Oke, back to the topic. What it's used for asking about the things. Oke, mempertanyakan tentang hal. Ya, I hope you get my point. So, next, ada when. When digunakan untuk mempertanyakan time ya, biasanya. When is used to ask about the time. Asking about time, you can use when. When does class start? When does the class start? It starts, tuh kan. Ini kenapa menggunakan S? Starts. Karena subjeknya it, gitu ya. Very good. It starts at 3 o'clock. When does the class start? It starts at 3 o'clock. Okay. For example, this is the whole question about when. When is your birthday? When is the field trip? When does the movie start? When does the train arrive? What is arrive? When does the train arrive?
Berangkat.
Datang.
Tiba. When does the train arrive? Yes, that's fine. When do you do your homework? Or even when do you do your assignment? When are you free? Ini biasanya ini apa sih? Untuk orang-orang yang so sibuk ya. When are you free? Kayaknya sibuk mulu. When are you free? When were you born? Nah, when were you born? Kapan kamu lahir? When is their anniversary? When does the class finish? Kapan? Semuanya di sini mempertanyakan about time. Kapan. So asking about time. Ya. Ada where. Where is used to asking place. Okay, very good. Where is used to ask about the place. Okay, asking about the place. Where are my books? They're on the desk. Itu ada di atas meja. So this is the example question of asking where. Bagaimana cara menanyakan dengan menggunakan where. Where is my pencil case? Jadi nanyain tempat semuanya. Where are my glasses? Where is the post office? The point that I would like to emphasize, yang ingin saya tekankan adalah penggunaan seperti ini nih. Kan harus tahu bedanya. When is my pen? Ini kenapa menggunakan is? Kenapa ini menggunakan are? Kenapa ini menggunakan is? Kenapa ini menggunakan are? Gitu ya. Ini menggunakan is dikarenakan mempertanyakan benda yang singular. Ini menggunakan are karena ini mempertanyakan benda yang plural, gitu ya. Ini menggunakan are karena mempertanyakan subjek you. Kalau she ya berarti where is he, gitu kan? Ya, where is he from? You need to know about the use of this to be, menggunakan to be ini. Where is he from, gitu ya. Where is he from? Where are they from? Where do you work? Di mana kamu kerjanya? Where do you want to go? Kemana kamu pergi? Where is Canada on the map? Di mana letak Kanada di petanya? So it's asking about the place. Okay? So I hope you get my point. Paham ya sampai sini? Paham ya, gampang. Okay, why? Why is asking for? Can you guess?
Reason.
Reason or excuse ya? Reason or excuse. When is used to ask about the reason. Why are you happy? Nah ini biasanya guys, kalau misalkan lagi conversation, supaya conversationnya nggak berhenti, tanya why. Why. Jadi si lawan bicara kalian nanti ngejelasin alasannya. Reasonnya apa. Jadi langsung menjelaskan mau itu alasannya secara personal, mau itu alasannya by data, terserah. Pokoknya asking why gitu, kalau misalnya lagi conversation. Supaya nggak berhenti, gitu ya. Nih, example of why. Example of the question of why. Why are you sad? Why are you crying? Why are you laughing? Why are you late? Why was Chris not at school yesterday? Itu kan nanya alasan kan? Why are you running? Kenapa dia lari? Kenapa kamu lari? Why do people exercise? What is exercise here? Why do people exercise?
Olahraga.
Olahraga, oke. Okay? Jadi kalau misalnya mau menerjemahkan olahraga, cukup dengan bilang exercise. Ya, nggak usah doing sport. You don't have to say that. Just say exercise. Why do you need to study English? Kenapa? Why do you think he did that? Kenapa kamu berpikir dia pelakunya, dia yang ngelakuinnya? Oke, it is all asking about the reason. Oke, semuanya mempertanyakan alasan. Ya, seperti itu. Next, which. Nanyain apa nih kalau which? Which is asking about what? Bisa tebak nggak? Which asking about what? Yo teman-teman.
Pilihan.
Pilihan, oke, very good. Which is used to ask about the choice. Nice, pilihan ya. Choice, pilihan. Bedakan choice sama choose. Ya, kalau choose ini memilih. Choice, pilihan. Ya, seperti itu. Which one do you want? Yang mana nih yang kamu mau? I want the red one. So it's asking about the choice. Ya, jadi menanyakan pilihan. Which one do you want? I want the red one. So take a look at here. Ini adalah contoh pertanyaan dengan mempertanyakan pilihan. Mau yang mana nih ke teman-teman kalian? Which one do you prefer? Sorry. Which one do you prefer? Kok gitu ya? Which one do you prefer? Ya. Yang mana nih yang kamu lebih suka? Prefer. Yang lebih suka. Which teacher do you like the most? Yang mana yang paling kamu suka gurunya? Oke. Okay. Which of my books would you like to borrow? Tuh kan? Bisa menggunakan which of. Bisa menggunakan which of jika bendanya lebih dari satu. Ini kan bendanya lebih dari satu ya. Pasti lebih dari satu sih kalau which. Karena kan menawarkan pilihan. Which of my books, Evan? Which of my toys? Which of my toys would you like to buy? Misalnya, mainan mana yang kamu mau beli? Would you like to? Which of? Bisa menggunakan which of. Which teachers? Ini harusnya pakai S ya. Which teachers do you like the most? Oke. Okay. Ini menggunakan satu sih, which teacher, karena kan yang dipilihnya satu, karena menggunakan the most. Sorry. Which teacher, karena pilihannya satu. Kalau which of ini nawarinnya banyak, ya tentu yang bakal dipinjamnya satu aja sama. The point is which is used to ask about the choice. Okay? Which one is it? Yang mana? Which way is it to the library? Which way berarti jalannya kemana ya? Which way is it to the library? Dia nawarin pilihan, ini ada dua jalan nih, kanan sama kiri. Which way is it to the library? Gitu kan ya. Which restaurant shall we go to? Which restaurant shall we go to? Misalnya ada beberapa restoran di hadapan kalian. Which restaurant shall we go to? Shall sama halnya dengan will. Oke, okay, for information, shall is the same as we gitu ya. As will. Jadi shall itu sama halnya dengan will. Cuman bedanya kalau shall itu digunakannya cuman untuk I sama we. Jadi I shall, we shall. They shall itu nggak ada. You shall itu nggak ada. Jadi shall hanya digunakan untuk I sama we. About the meaning, maknanya sama kayak will. Sama kayak will, akan gitu. Oke ya? Oke. Nah sekarang how. Ini kayaknya terakhir deh. What is the use of how? How digunakan buat apa nih? Nanyain apa kalau how? Kira-kira?
Cara.
Oke, nice. How is used to ask about the way, caranya. The way something is done. Bagaimana caranya itu dilakukan. The condition of something or the degree of something. Kondisi pada sesuatu tersebut atau urutan atau derajat atau tingkatan pada sesuatu tersebut. So how is used to ask about the way, cara bagaimana sesuatu itu dilakukan. This is the example. How is your vacation? Nah, ini bukan, kalau yang ini nih, ini bukan nanyain cara tapi menanyakan condition of something. Jadi bisa nanyakan the way is done, the condition of something, atau the degree of something, derajat atau tingkatan dari sesuatu. Oke, how was your vacation? Berarti ini mempertanyakan conditionnya. It was great. Ya, keren. Keren lagi. Keren. Oke, seperti itu. Next, this is the example of question by using how. How old are you? Oke, ini berarti nanyain tingkatannya. How are you? Ini condition. How tall is she? How big is the house? How far is the restaurant? Seberapa jauh gitu ya? Seberapa jauh restoran itu bisa kalian kan bisa bilang sangat jauh, it's very far. No, it's near. Berarti kan itu degree-nya tuh, tingkatannya kan. Ada sangat jauh, ada sangat dekat gitu. Berarti ini mempertanyakan degree-nya gitu ya. Kalau ini mempertanyakan condition, kalau yang ini mempertanyakan baru the way. How can I improve my English? Berarti mempertanyakan the way itu kan. Cara, bagaimana caranya meningkatkan bahasa Inggris. How do you cook spaghetti? How often do you exercise? Seberapa sering kamu olahraga? Berarti mempertanyakan tingkatan kan? Karena bisa saja sangat sering, misalnya I exercise every day, gitu kan? I sometimes exercise, I often exercise, atau I rarely exercise. Berarti dari mulai setiap hari, dari kadang-kadang, terus jarang, terus I never exercise, saya nggak pernah exercise. Jadi ada tingkatannya. Oke, seperti itu. So, I would like to give you some quizzes before we go to practice. Oke? Kira-kira apa nih?
Where?
Where?
Where? Oke, nice. Masa when atau where?
Where?
Oke, nice. Oke, nice. Oke, good. Where? Nice. Where is my pencil? Good. Yang kedua sekarang. Ya, kira-kira apa nih? Who? Oke, nice. Who is she? Nice. Kira-kira apa nih?
What?
Apa nih? What? Okay. What do you want
what?
to eat? What do you want to eat? Gak apa-apa. What do you want to eat? The most important point, you speak ya. You speak. Saya pengen kalian aktif aja ya. Gak usah memperdulikan salah benar. Because we can learn by mistakes. Is it true? Betul ya? We can learn by mistakes. Number 4. Kira-kira apa nih? Ya bareng-bareng.
When?
When?
Okay,
When?
nice. It starts 5 minutes. When? Nomor selanjutnya, kira-kira apa nih?
Why?
Why are you crying? Because the story is sad. The story is so sad. Apa ya? Story yang sedih, film apa ya? Film apa yang sedih ya?
The Bridge of Terabithia.
Aduh, lupa lagi yang dari Korea itu, yang sel-sel itu apa sih namanya?
Miracle
in
in
Cell.
Aduh, itu saya nonton itu. Ya Allah. Miracle in Cell tuh. Wah, teman-teman nih kalau misalkan pengen sedih-sedihan nonton itu deh. Miracle in Cell. Oke, why? Squid Game lumayan lah. Nomor 6. Kira-kira apa nih?
How?
How, ya. How is the food? Berarti mempertanyakan conditionnya. Kira-kira apa nih? Nomor 7.
Which?
Which one?
Okay, nice. Which one do you want? Okay. Good. Kira-kira apa nih?
Where?
Okay. Where is the bank? Go straight and turn left. Berarti lurus aja langsung nanti belok ke kiri. Okay, where? Nomor 9. Apa nih kira-kira nih?
When?
When is your birthday? Okay, it's February. Okay, when? Number 10. Okay, I think this is the last. Why? Okay, why are you late? Because I missed the bus. Okay, why? Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, give applause for you guys. Give applause for you. Nah, sekarang kita akan ke praktisnya guys ya. Kita akan menuju ke praktisnya sekarang. Kita akan seperti biasa, we would like to breakout room. Nanti kalian bakal praktis semuanya. Nah, praktisnya apa kira-kira? Praktisnya adalah semua teman-teman akan menerima pertanyaan ini. Ya, nih, oke, kelihatan nggak PPT-nya guys?
Terlihat.
Kelihatan ya? Oke, kelihatan ya. Wait. Oke. Nah, ini adalah pertanyaannya. Nanti di sini kan ada 47. 47 berarti mungkin saya akan bikin 12 grup, 12 breakout room. Satu breakout roomnya ada 4. Ada 4. Ada 4, and then take a look at here. Jadi ini adalah pertanyaan yang bakal kalian terima. Nah, semuanya menerima pertanyaan ini ya. Jadi semuanya harus menjawab nanti di grupnya. Jadi bikin grup discussion aja, yang mana semuanya harus jawab pertanyaan ini. Pertanyaan pertama adalah, what is the one thing in your home you couldn't live without? Why? Ya kan? Screenshot pertanyaannya. Takutnya kalian lupa. Oke. Okay, sorry. What's one thing in your home you couldn't live without? Ada nggak hal yang di rumah kamu yang kamu tuh you couldn't live without? Yang tanpanya kamu nggak bisa hidup gitu. Yang tanpanya nggak bisa hidup. Bisa mungkin ada hewan peliharaan, mungkin ada buku, mungkin ada laptop, mungkin dan lain-lain. Ya. Nah di sini pertanyaan yang kedua, how do you cope with stress or how do you relax after a busy week? Boleh, silakan. Silahkan catat atau screenshot pertanyaannya. How do you cope with stress? Bagaimana kamu overcome atau cope tuh kayak, oh my God, I forget. Bukan menanggulangi, mengatasi stres. How do you relax after a busy week? Oke. Jadi bagaimana kamu relax setelah seminggu belajar terus, seminggu nugas terus gitu ya, ambis terus. Ya terus kamu relaxnya gimana? Healingnya gimana? Healingnya gimana gitu ya. Nomor 3, if that you had to spend $5,000 today, jika kamu harus menghabiskan uang $5.000, $5 berarti berapa ya? Hampir miliar itu ya. How would you use it? Bagaimana kamu akan melakukannya? Oke, diskusikan dengan teman-teman kalian. Pertanyaan keempat, if you could live anywhere in the world for 1 year, where would you live and why? Where would you live and why? Kemana kamu bakal tinggal dan kenapa? Jika kamu bisa, if you could live anywhere, jika kamu bisa tinggal dimanapun di dunia ini selama 1 tahun saja, ya, misalnya kalian punya uang, wah miliaran gitu ya, pengen tinggal 1 tahun di sini nah itu di mana kalian mau tinggalnya? Dan why? Berikan alasannya. Oke. Dan ini mungkin pertanyaan kelima terakhir. Can you think of a time when a failure actually worked out well? Tell me about it. Can you think of a time? Bisakah kamu memikirkan bahwasanya a time when a failure actually worked out well? Ketika kesalahan tuh ternyata bisa berjalan dengan baik. Kalian bikin salah, tapi ternyata mulus gitu. Tell me about it. Pernah nggak kalian kayak gitu? Jadi maksud pertanyaan ini tuh kayak gitu. Pernah nggak kalian bikin kesalahan, ternyata kesalahan kalian tuh malah jadi bagus gitu. Tell me about it. Okay, so 5 question only. Semuanya harus menjelaskan. Oke, udah di screenshot semuanya? Halo guys, sudah?
Sudah.
Sudah ya. Oke, siap ya. Kita siap-siap ya. Oke, semuanya harus menjawab 5 pertanyaan ini. Oke, nanti kita bisa sharing. Karena kan setiap misalnya ini nomor 2 nih. Nomor 2 ini. Nah, kalian menanggulangi stresnya gimana? Pasti kan ada 4 orang. 4 orang ini kan pasti menjawabnya beda-beda. Ada yang dengan cara apa, dengan cara apa, dengan cara apa. Diskusikan aja. Just discuss. Oke? Seperti itu. Nah, seperti ini juga kan pasti beda-beda. Kalau kalian punya $5.000, harus dihabiskan di hari itu juga. Nah, mau ngapain? Nah, 4 orang ini kan pasti beda-beda. Mau ngapain aja? Oke, silakan diskusikan aja. So, let's have fun with English. Okay? So, I would like to put you in a breakout room. Wait, I would like to stop share first. Oke. Saya akan langsung di breakout aja ya. I would like to create maybe 13 group. I think it's enough. Oke, create. Open. Oke, siap-siap ya. Kalau yang udah menerima undangan langsung aja CC. Okay, and I hope your connection is good because breakout room sometimes depend on your connection sometimes. If you can join in, you can chat me personally and I will move you to another class or another breakout rooms. Salah, sorry. Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa subscribe channel ini sebagai bentuk dukungan kalian agar channel ini terus memberikan konten yang bermanfaat. Terima kasih.